How about our people? Our people, where are they? It is okay, you shoot me. You shoot if you want. You shoot me, I'm here. You shoot me. You kill me if you want. You kill me. It's okay.
Another date, and on that date you have the right to apply for bail after fulfilling all the requirements of the application for bail. You can inform your relatives to get LOC letters, their national ID, to come and stand for issue keys.